Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you, do you need an Amazon seller account to use Helium 10? Now, before we get started, you can get a Helium 10 account for 20% off for 6 months or 10% off for every single month for a lifetime by clicking the links down below. So you can check that out before. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So basically, in order to use Helium 10 to its full potential, you will need an Amazon account. Now let me show you why. If you go here to tools and if you go to magnet right here, and let's say we want to go and use this particular keyword for our keyword research, we can click here. And as you can see, once you click here, you will get some data right here. But as you can see right here, to gain valuable insights into the top 3 clicked words, you will need to have an Amazon account connected to your Helium 10. So you won't be able to use Helium 10 without an Amazon account. Now, as you can see right here, basically, to conclude, yes, you do need an Amazon seller account to use Helium 10 because Helium 10 is a suite of tools specifically designed for Amazon sellers, and the data it provides will be only available to those with Amazon seller account. So hopefully you guys you find this video useful. If you want to see more tutorial videos on Helium 10, you can definitely check out our channel. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Obviously, you can get the Helium 10 20% and 10% off coupons down below with links in the description. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.